Well, the bus wasn't able to make its way through the river, so they kicked us off. And after some miles of walking, we just crossed this with my mom and I, and we will be on our way now to Toro Toro. Hopefully there are no other rivers that are blocking the side. But oh, my mom is speaking English to a little girl who has probably no idea what she's talking about. She keeps doing this. Stubbornness, I think. No, just leave it be. So there are the others. My mom just crossed there. It was fun. Yo. I hope no one falls, because that gives such a mess. I think everyone will be fine. Okay, I need to play for translator, so let's do something else.